What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. So today, I'm coming at you with yet another chili episode. I know you're saying, Bones, why so many chili episodes? Hey, we all have what we like, and I like chili. So, decided to try another one off of Amazon. This one's called Tom Hoover's World Championship Chili out of Texas. They say that they won 20 state championships and a world championship title before they started mass producing this stuff for the world. Its ingredient listings are spices. What spices? Don't know, but spices. Then they go with onions, garlic, salt, potato starch, and brown sugar. That's all they list off. So, let's go ahead and see what this chili is all about. Ingredients for your Happy Trails chili: 2 pounds of 8515, or you can go with 8020 ground beef. Happy Trails chili seasoning mix that you can find on Amazon. A can of tomato sauce. You can either go with an 8-ounce can or a 15-ounce can. If you go with an 8-ounce can, you need 2 cups of water. If you go with the 15-ounce can, go with a cup and a half. I've got the pan set up. We're going to go ahead and start browning off our meat. Meat looks browned off now, so we get to move on to the next part. Now the packaging says bring the chili to a boil and then let it simmer for the next 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't subscribe to that. What we're going to do is put it on the smoker and let it run for the next 2 to 3 hours. So let those flavors meld together. Go ahead and add in the 1.5 cups of water, the can of tomato sauce, and the packet of our seasoning. Supposed to be world champion Tom Hoover's famous seasoning. Let's see how much it stands up. I can definitely smell it, so that's a good sign. Definitely smells like a chili. So, alright, here we go. Let's go get our smoker ready. Today we're going to use the Pit Boss Classic. We're going to go open it up, turn it on to smoke, let all that nasty white smoke at the beginning out. Don't want that in the food, even though we're going to use a lid on our chili. We still don't want it to seep in through the crack of the lid and the pot. Don't want any of that into the food. All that white smoke is exited. We're going to go ahead and shut the lid down now. Bring it up to 250 degrees for that low and slow cook that we're after. We're going to go ahead and put it on the smoker now. Let it ride for the next 2 hours. Stir it. See where we're at. Let's go ahead and check it out at 2-hour mark here. Oh, it's doing oh so good right now. Still a little watery for my taste, but it's coming together nicely. I can smell that nice chili pepper that they put inside here. Oh, it's coming along beautifully. This is the way to go. Forget that 20-30 minute mark that they'd say to do it. This is the best way to do it. We're 3 hours in. Let's go ahead and take a quick look. Oh yeah, I'm gonna call it done now. Let's go ahead and pull it. Let it rest for a minute so we don't burn our mouth. Let's go ahead and take a look and see how our chili turned out. Oh yeah, just beautiful. Let's see how it tastes. Let's go ahead and put some of that in our bowl here. Just a little bit. There we go. All right, here we go. It's a real good chili. Definitely has that chili flavor to it. There's no notes that are overpowering each other, one from the other. But to me, it's missing something. It's missing a heat element. It's missing some other more pronounced flavors that would bring this chili to the next level. You know, it's missing those flavors. But to me, it's a good starter base to a nice chili. So I would use this, but I would add things to it. That's just me. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you. Have a good day.